Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Today I'm going to be talking about uFadil Adams. Who is uFadil Adams? Yebetunan sanibonani. uFadil Adams kaloku member of parliament. Niyamkhumbula kaloku into yokuba ngulo omane erabha ishoulder. Niyakhumbula ngela xesha kwakhona uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ebuzwa imibuzo emane edirector kuye. So kuye ke ngoku kwavela into yoba ke makabanjwe. So J50 form was issued last week into yoba he must be arrested. And then ebengafumaneki washiyelwa messages kwi-lawyer into yokuba he must go to the nearest police facility so that azokwazi ukudibana namapolisa. Khange ayinanze lento ke lonto. So into yenzekileyo ke namhlanje uBrigadier Mathe, spokesperson national uAtlanta Mathe, spokesperson samapolisa, sikhuphe istatement soba uFadil Adams is wanted and he is going to be arrested. Niyakhumbula kaloku into yoba wayesithi uFadil Adams iPKTT ifike ya-raid my house kwathini kungathangani and these people are cowards kwathini. So kuthiwa ke they were not raiding the house. Actually they wanted to arrest him. So today ke during the day nje from 8 to 1 o'clock ubefunwa engafunyanwa. So eventually ude wafumaneka. So wahanjiswa uthi ke ebecinga into yoba uzosiwa eGrassy Park. I assume into yoba ke inoba iyona police station ekufutshane kakhulu naye, kodwa ke uye wasiwa Cape Town police station apho ke uye waprocesswa khona, meaning that ke kubhalwa yonke into axelelwe why is he getting arrested, zonke ezo zinto. So member of parliament kaloku uFadil Adams bethunana ningamthathi kancinci, and aphinde futhi abeyi-leader ye-National Congress, i-National Coloured Congress eseparlament. So izizathu ke zoba abanjwe, these are the reasons: fraud and defeating the ends of justice. Kuthiwa ke zonke ezi zinto zenzeke eDurban, which is KZN. So into yenzekayo ke uSindiso Magaqa, niyamazi mos uSindiso Magaqa into yoba he was i-leader ngo-2017 wabulawa i-leader ye-ANC Youth League. Niyakhumbula into yoba kaloku waye wagxothwa benoJulius Malema noShivambu, noFloyd Shivambu, bagxothwa kwi-ANC nje ngoba bengamameli, begxothwa ngoJacob Zuma nabanye ke i-members ze-ANC ezindala. So kuthe ke ekugxothweni kwabo i-EFF bavula bona i-EFF oShivambu noJulius Malema, and then uSindiso Magaqa wathi yena ngeke nje aze akwazi kuya kwenye iparty uyohlala e-ANC bangamane bamgxothe. Wahamba yena waya eKZN wabuyela kowabo. So ungowasemzimkhulu ke uye wahlala ke emzimkhulu kuSindiso Magaqa ke I think kude kwafika ixesha loba bamnyule emzimkhulu abe likhansela lakhona. So niyayazi kaloku iparty le ngendlela eyenza ngayo izinto ne-tenders and everything, kwafumaniseka into yoba uyingxaki emzimkhulu uSindiso Magaqa because abakwazi ukuyenza i-corruption because ungumqobo. Kwathiwa simenze njani? Ayi, bamfunela inkabi. Kuthiwa kudala ke funwa engafumaneki, uyabona khona apha bazama khona umdubula, hayi abakwazi ukumfumana. So ke ude wafumaneka ke wadityulwa, kungaziwa into yoba udutyulwe ngubani. Hayi ekuhambeni kwexesha hayibo inkabi yacula. Inkabi iculile into yoba yayithengwe ngu-city manager, ithengwe ngumeya wasemzimkhulu. Baninzi abantu ababandakanyekayo koko kubulawa kwakhe ke uSindiso Magaqo, because nabo ke ezomeya nabo no city manager abo babengebodwa. There are a lot of people that are involved. Kodwa ke umeya wavele yena wazidubula, wacommita i-suicide, wazidubula, wasweleka. Aba wayesefuna uqonda into yoba uyabona ngoku into yoba uzobanjwa. So yeah, into eyenzekayo ke ngoku apho angena khona ke uFadil Adams, ungena ekutheni uya kule hitman as a parliamentarian, uya kule hitman eWestville ayothi khona and ndiza apha as imember yeparlament. Hayi ke enzelwe bonke ububele, kaloku ngumntu omkhulu. Bacinga into babona uthunywe eparlament kanti uzenzela izinto zakhe. So it turned out into yoba njengoba wayepha eWestville, went there on his personal capacity, wayengathunywanga and zange abuyise report and zange eze ne-statement to help i-team that is dealing with imurder kaSindiso Magaqo. Seniyayi-understanda ke ngoku into yoba ungenaphi kwinto kaSindiso Magaqo. So siyazibuza nangoku ke into yoba wayeyokwenzani kulaa hitman. I-hitman kaloku ngoku has been sentenced to 85 years in jail. So ufuna ntoni ke yena ke? Wayeziyamanisa nabantu abanjalo ekubeni a member of parliament. So ke bethuna nangomso ke uzobe evela ke e-court. Uyayazi ke into yoba kwenziwe ntoni? Kuthiwe uzodrivwa to KZN. So they'll be driving uFadil Adams to KZN. Ifamily yakhe ke ithi i-medication yakhe uyishiyile, abafunanga uba athathe izinto, bayakhalaza. Kuthiwa ke kudala lo mntu exelelwe into yoba makazi hand over emapoliseni wanenkani. So ayisekho into sizoyenza, azigubhe. Hayi ke ndithetha nawe nje usendleleni ke eyaphi? eKZN. Uzobe ke evela ecourt ngomso ebingelela ke inkantolo. Asazi ke into yoba uzonikwa na i-bail okanye kuzokwenzeka ntoni. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
We are due in the High Court tomorrow. The judges ordered them to hand over their paperwork. Remember, they didn't want to tell me what I was charged for, what the jurisdiction was, whether they didn't want to confirm, they didn't want to give my attorney a copy of the warrant, nothing. I was just to hand myself over because I was to be killed on the way up to Durban. That's what was supposed to happen. One of the heads of the area told me that, why don't I just hand myself over? I said, I'm going to hand myself over, but we're going to the High Court first. Remember, we've got a High Court application. The judges ordered him to bring the documentation. We want to see the documentation. We want to see the legality of it. What kind of policeman hides information? Hey, what kind of policeman? I'm saying, what am I charged for? No, we're not telling you. Which jurisdiction is it? So I can tell my family, I'm going to KZN, I'm going to Gauteng. No, we're not telling you. Hand yourself over. Is this apartheid? Is this 1991? Is this what we signed for? Is this policing? These are not policemen, these are thugs.
I've actually refused any of his representatives to see him, including myself, which I've received the order from the judge to say that they need to produce the actual arrest warrant so that we can know what steps to take further. Our attorneys are on their way. I hope they're going to let our attorney speak to him. So for now, they said no, nothing. They don't want to see us at the back, nothing. They chased us everybody out.
I was going to ask, having seen the arrest, have you been able to interact with him and how is he?
He's doing well. He's upbeat because the charges against him is for fraud and defeating the ends of justice. There's nothing that he did wrong, so why bring the charges? And the charge that was brought upon him is for something that happened about more than a month ago. Last year. So what? How do you expect the same people that's supposed to protect us as doing this to him? Member of Parliament.
So you're saying that the lawyers are on their way here, his attorneys. I want to then understand the challenging of the legality of the warrant of arrest. We understand that is going to be heard tomorrow. Does that still stand?
Yes, ma'am, it still stands. they are definitely on their way because the judge has just granted the order for them to produce the actual arrest warrant because the judge also wants to know what's on there. So we're just waiting now.
You serve at a national structure for the National Coloured Congress. Are you concerned this particular arrest and the allegations that have been leveled against Fadil and the charges he faced could, impact your election campaign trail ahead of the local government elections, which are less than 6 months away?
Yeah, it won't derail us. It'll just make us stronger. Definitely make us stronger now because the trumped up charges is not even the real. So I don't know. It's definitely making us stronger.